I've got a brand new 14-day menopause health and fitness program starting on Monday, and I would love you to get involved. So if you are perimenopausal, menopausal, or postmenopausal, and you're struggling with your health and fitness, you may have all different kinds of symptoms that you may be managing. Maybe you've not been active for a while, you want to lose a little bit of weight, feel good, feel positive, then come and join me on Monday. Let me tell you what I've got for you. So I've created a special bespoke program. Every day you have a unique workout, and if you click below, you'll see the full timetable. There's a daily workout between 12 and 15 minutes, and then at the weekend you've got a longer workout that you can do. Now these are knee friendly, joint friendly, menopausal friendly. If you've not done any exercise for a long time, then this is a brilliant way to get going. All kinds of different workouts: strength training, body conditioning, core workouts, walk fit, fitness Pilates. Oh, they're all there. You're going to love them. And you're all working at home, so you can do it when it suits you. Get up in the morning, do your workout. You've also got a prompt around nutrition, a video. So again, have a look below, and each video for every day, I'll give you healthy tips, healthy habits, weight loss information, nutritional information around menopause, and how you can really get to the goals that you want with your health and fitness. It's going to be a brilliant program. I'm so excited. We've got loads of people signed up already. Once you've signed up, you will access the full program on the kickstartfatloss.net website. You'll find the preparation video so you can watch it and get yourself into the right mindset. You will then be able to organize your food shopping, get yourself in the right place mentally, and we are kicking off together on Monday. Now, don't worry if you can't make all the sessions, if you are going away, you get access to everything for life. But for the next 2 weeks, I'll be doing live coaching on Facebook and YouTube to help you with your questions, give you motivation, accountability. But if you can't make those live, don't worry, because they will all be saved and added to the dashboard. So you can pick this whole program up. You can do it live now with me, or you can do it at a later date. But I'll be doing the live coaching from Monday. It's going to be an epic program. I'm so excited. So much to share with you. And we're really going to work not just on your health and your fitness, but your sleep, your stress management. We'll be looking at your hormones. We'll be giving you as much information as possible over the next 14 days so you can really thrive. So, are you ready? Are you on board? Click the link below, get involved. You'll receive an email from me. You'll log into the website. You can start going through material, but get ready, because we are going for it starting from Monday.